Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the many different ways on how to fold your socks and no-show socks. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, it's at lovetrisha12, and on my Facebook account, it's thelovetrisha12. Today, I'm going to show you 9 ways on how to fold your socks and 4 ways on how to fold your no-show socks. And from these many different ways, you can choose which one of these is your favorite, and you can use it to fold your socks and your no-show socks. So let's not keep this video any longer. I'm going to show them to you right now. I'll start with the simplest way to fold your socks. It's called the single fold method. There are 2 ways in this method. The first one is what I'm showing you right now. Make sure that you fold the heels of the socks downwards to keep it more tidy. Then you're going to place one sock over the other and then fold them together like so. Or you can also do it this way. It's somehow easier than the first one. You don't have to fold the heels of the socks anymore for this. Just place one sock over the other and fold the cuffs towards the toe of the socks. And there you have it. The second method is the KONMARI method. The objective of this type of folding is to make sure that the item, or the socks in this case, will be able to stand alone. All you have to do is to fold the socks into thirds, starting from the toes to the cuffs. The next method is the square method. This one is also easy to do. Just place one sock over the other, this time making a cross. Fold the bottom one first, wrapping it on the one on top of it, and then wrap the top one after that to secure the fold. I like this type of folding because it's very neat and great for stacking and filing as well. The next one is the square and flip method. Now, this is the method that I use in folding our socks. All you have to do is to basically do everything that we did in the square method. Place the socks in a cross-like manner and then wrap them. And then the twist is, you have to flip the bottom sock and move it towards the front, securing the socks tightly. I love this method because it secures the socks tightly and it makes sure that no pair is lost because they're always together. The next one is the flip and tuck method. This is probably one of the easiest ways too, but it's not as neat as the other methods of folding your socks. What you're going to do is to place one sock over the other, and then grab the cuffs of one sock and then flip it over to cover the upper half of both socks. The good thing about this method is it's easy to do, especially if you're in a hurry, and it will keep both pairs of socks together. The next one is the flip KONMARI method. This is basically the same with the KONMARI method. The only difference is, as per name of this method, you're going to flip it over to secure the socks together. The next one is the fold and tuck method. I also like this method because it's also a very tidy type of folding. All you have to do is to fold the heels of the socks upwards like this, and then place one sock over the other. Fold the toes upwards and then fold the cuffs downwards, making them meet each other, and then tucking in the toes of the socks inside the cuffs. This is a great method for stacking and filing your socks too. Now we have the roll method. This is also very easy, and it's great for stacking your socks too. All you have to do is place one sock over the other and then just roll from the toes to the cuffs. And our last one is the military roll or the army roll. It's very similar to the roll method. The only thing that you'll have to do at the last part is to flip one cuff of the socks to tightly secure them together. Now let's move on to the no-show socks. The first method is the roll method. Just place one sock over the other and then start rolling from heels to toes. Once you've reached the toe part, tuck in the entire socks inside the pocket. The next one is the single fold method. This is very much like the one that we did on the regular socks. Place one sock inside the other and then fold them in half. This method is great in keeping both of them together. The third one is the KONMARI method. This is also very easy. Place one sock on top of the other and then fold 1/3 up starting from the heels until you reach the toes. And this last one is my preferred method for my no-show socks, the square and flip method. This one is quite complicated, but it's great for keeping the sock secured tightly. I place the bottom socks facing down vertically and the top sock facing up horizontally, and then I wrap the socks together, starting from the bottom one and then the top one. And then I take the sock at the bottom and flip it over to secure the fold.
So there you have it, guys. I hope I have given you enough ways to choose from. If you want more videos like this, please hit like so that I could make more how-to videos for you guys. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. It's at lovetrisha12, and on my Facebook account, it's thelovetrisha12. Leave your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Bye!